to buy some candies. Hello. Excuse me. I'm just feeling you. Do you want ice cream?
Dicoba dulu, Kak.
Maybe you want to try ice cream, vanilla ice cream.
Ada?
Can I try vanilla, please?
Ya, sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Please, I'm gonna eat. So I'm gonna taste. This is gonna look like. I'm gonna put this on my YouTube channel. So I have YouTube channels. Yeah. So thank you. Try. This is Ilgreato di Bruno. Parla italiano, molto brava la esprimo è perfetto. Allora mangia. Tutto bene. Perfetto. Molto buono. Wow, this is really good taste.
Iya, 72% tuh kakaonya.
Which one?
Rahasia Tela, pakai cup atau cone, Kak?
I want vanilla.
Pakai cone-nya 50.
Just vanilla.
Kalau yang itu
Yang Kak,
So we have candies. We have candies. So which one that you going to choose?
Stracciatella.
Rahasia Tela.
Crunchy hazelnut.
No, stracciatella.
Stracciatella.
Butter.
Satu butter karamel.
Ya.
I think I want vanilla.
Apa-apa itu banyak banget.
I think I want vanilla.
Bayarnya 6.
Ini yang
Ini sama
Rahasia Tela dan
standar.
Estrada. Pakai cup, Kak?
Saya cup.
which one you order?
Sebenarnya itu medium beda berapa?
Oh.
Kalau yang kebal 45.
No, I mean which one you take?
Ini extra dark.
It can be mixed.
Bisa di mix kan?
Bisa, ya.
Oh really?
Kakaknya pilih medium, bisa di mix 2 rasa.
Okay, I want medium.
Iya, medium kan 2 rasa.
Okay, so
Arif.
which one you take? You already order to me as well, or you just order for you?
Kedinginan.
Mau suka vanilla atau gini aja campur?
Ya,
Vanilla.
Yorinnya
ke
aja.
toilet. Kasih tahu,
Oh,
Rif.
ini sama vanilla.
Sama vanilla aja.
So it is originally house-made, yeah?
Iya.
House-made. So it's really Ilgreato Bruno ini adanya di beqch aja di Bali.
Ya.
Di
Oh,
mana?
ada 2 store lagi yang lainnya di Singapura.
Oh, Singapore.
Vivo City Mall dan
City Mall.
Indonesia.
di cuma ini aja.
Only so di Bali, in Indonesia, only in Bali. Okay, so perfect.
Welcome, Kak.
Yeah, alright. So we go.
Di sebelah sini.
Can you check the money from my wallet? Yeah, so now we're going to pay the ice cream.
65.000 aja, Kak.
Yeah, take my money. Take the money from the wallet. So guys, if you like my YouTube, please subscribe below. And also I would like to inform you that if you came to Bali, please visit this Ilgreato di Bruno. Italian ice cream, the best ice cream in Bali, that the one and only in Bali that you can visit in Beach Walk, Kuta Beach here in Bali. And now we're gonna enjoy our ice cream. Can I have a little taste? And I think this is yummy. Oh, wait a
Thank
moment.
you.
Oops.
Dari
Okay.
mana, Kak?
Dari Bali.
I'm from Timor-Leste.
Oh, Timor-Leste, ya.
Anyway, thank you very much for watching us and say
Thank
goodbye.
you. Bye-bye.